How to free up space on Android without deleting apps. If your Android phone keeps saying storage almost full, but you don't want to delete your apps, this quick guide will help you free up space safely. Open Settings on your phone, scroll down and tap Storage. Here you'll see how much space is used on your device. Tap Free Up Space. This opens the Files by Google app on the Clean tab. At the top, you'll see how much storage is used. And below that, you'll see cards like Delete Memes, Delete Duplicates, Delete Blurry Photos, Delete Old Screenshots, Delete Large Files, Delete WhatsApp Media, Delete Downloaded Files. Tap one of these, for example, Delete Large Files. Tap Select Files. Choose anything you don't need, then tap Delete at the bottom. Repeat this for old screenshots, blurry photos, memes, and downloads you no longer need. These add up quickly and free a lot of space without removing your apps. Now go back to Settings and tap Apps. Tap See All Apps. If your phone lets you, sort the list by size so the biggest apps are at the top. Tap any app you don't use often but still want to keep. Tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files but keeps your login and data. Avoid clear storage unless you want to reset that app completely. Repeat this for any heavy apps that you rarely open. Finally, restart your phone so all the changes apply properly. After this, you should see more free space on your phone without uninstalling your important apps. Subscribe for more quick Android fixes.